Karan, your question is, you keep doing initiatives that one should buy a new Merc, but the sad part is there is no trading facility. It's my third Merc in a row, but never it is that Merc dealership has supported me for trade, and it's so difficult to upgrade because it takes some time to sell a luxury car in open market. Do something about it. And this question comes from MB Connect. Mr. Karan, thank you for your question. First of all, a very, very big thanks. We are here, I am sitting here, Mercedes team here. We are all here because of customers like you who patronize the brand so strongly and buys marks after marks after marks, and this is your third mark. So thank you, and thank you. Let me tell you a little bit of an initiative which all the Mercedes dealers have been doing, and it's being popularized. Maybe we have not been able to reach the press and to all the consumers. If you see, while all the other competitors are talking about, we have a very strong used car program, and Mercedes-Benz in all dealership, we do trading all the Mercedes-Benz existing customers' cars, and we do refurbish them if they are within a particular time frame, and we do again put a warranty cost to it and we sell it into the market. It's a very strong level program. Hence, if you are stuck with your marks, don't hesitate to contact our dealers. Our dealers are the best point because apart from doing the new car business, in the same facility or in a nearby facility, they have a Mercedes used car business. So not only for Mr. Karan, for you to sell those cars, for many more aspirants who would like to buy a Merc, but really is not thinking about buying a new Merc, but want to buy a second-hand Merc, we have a strong level program available with all our dealership across the country. Please don't hesitate to call up any of the dealerships and say that you want to sell your Merc or buy a used Merc with a warranty. And I think that program is known as Proven Exclusivity. Proven Exclusivity is a very level program which is backed up by the manufacturer, that is Mercedes-Benz India, and cars which are within 6 years are being bought and they are being refurbished, warranted, and Mercedes-Benz India stands for that. So best of luck for your training, and we would like to soon see you in a new Mercedes-Benz, your fourth Merc, Mr. Karan. Congratulations in advance for that.